off. Sentinel-2C and Vega are blazing a trail across the equatorial skies here over Europe's spaceport in French Guiana.
9 tons, and it is made of a special material called filament wound carbon epoxy.
And we're looking here at fantastic images and separation there of the P80 first stage and switch on of the second stage. The vitesse is our speed, traveling at nearly 4 kilometers per second. Separation there of the second stage, and there's a short delay before we then get the ignition of the third stage. That's to avoid any collisions up in space.
Absolutely. So,
and we have separation now of the fairing that's been jettisoned. We don't need it anymore. And if you look at the altitude, we're 130 kilometers above Earth. See what's happening. Getting close now to separation, there we go, of the third stage. That's been confirmed.
Peel very wide stripes. Each swathe is nearly 300 kilometers, so they can image our entire planet in 5 days.
Amazing. And we've got the switch on time now. This is the scheduled moment to switch on the engine of the AM upper stage. We have that confirmed. Coming up to the next phase now, Damien.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can see we just switched off the engine now.
That's coming up at 18:30. Here we go. That's what it looks like up there.
Yeah, and we've got confirmation.
We have confirmation, yeah.
In Jupiter, because it meant that Juice's journey was really beginning.
Yeah, it must have been. I can just imagine.
Deuxième allumage de la VOM.
We have a switch on of the second boost for the AM upper stage, coming up now on AM cutoff.
Deuxième extinction de la VOM.
And we have confirmation there. Second switching off of the AM upper stage.
Séparation Sentinel-2C.
And we have separation there of Sentinel-2C. That's good news. We are looking at happy faces in the Mission Control Center here, Jupiter Mission Control Center. That's excellent news. Here we are looking at the teams in the fishbowl, the operational teams.
Yeah.